In this video, I will show you how to get paid per click, which is a new technique for making money online for free in 2021. Would you like to be paid for each and every click that you make? Not only is this method new, but it's also completely free and available worldwide. But first, hello and welcome to Easy Finance Boy, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online and you can start to make things happen. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. And now let's go into the video. Let's see if you have everything you need to make this work. First and foremost, you will need either a laptop or a computer, a tablet, or even a smartphone. Secondly, you will need an internet connection, and that's all the requirement to make this method work. However, make sure that you guys follow each and every step of this video to make sure that you're using this method correctly, because if you just go ahead and skip to the end, you may miss some important instruction and you may not make any money at all and end up only wasting your time. So make sure to pay attention to each and every second of the video to make sure that you start generating passive income. Now, before we continue on with the video, I am curious as to what country are you guys watching from right now. Leave a comment down below saying which country you are watching from so that I will know where my viewers are coming from. First, let me demonstrate that this method works globally. As you can see, everyone can participate. Anyone from anywhere around the world can enter this program and begin earning money in minutes. The best part is that you don't have to sell anything. This isn't an affiliate scam. It's not a link shortening service, and no one has to sign up for anything. You don't have to spend any money. All you have to do is click, nothing more and nothing less. So essentially, this is one of the simplest way to start making money online on autopilot in 2021. And here is the idea. You and I, along with other 3 billion people on the planet, have been using Google as our default or primary search engine. We have been using Google to search the internet and surf the web the whole time. However, instead of Google, we will be using entireweb.com for this method. This website, like Google, is a free search engine. The key distinction between Google and this website is that the latter will pay you for each click. To be more specific, it will pay you 20 cents per click, which equal $4 for 20 click. They're paying you because Google is a huge viral and they want to attract more traffic to their search engine instead of Google's. And obviously, since all of these search engines are free, most people will choose to use entireweb.com, which will pay them 20 cents every time they click on something, which is very nice given that it is completely free. And to maximize your earning with this method, we will take advantage of another website which I will show you in a moment. So for now, all you have to do is go to entireweb.com. Once you're here, click the menu button in the top right corner to access all of these categories such as home, services, free submissions, SEO, ad market, affiliate directory, advertising, so on and so forth. However, you must concentrate your effort on one single revenue generating group. So go ahead and click on affiliate for the sake of this video. And as I previously said, you are not required to sell anything and you don't have to force people to buy or pay for something. In fact, you're getting paid 20 cents for each click you make. As previously mentioned, Google is used by over 3 billion users on a regular basis. But there is a big, massive opportunity. Even if you just refer 100 people to this website, it will be a massive passive income for you. As you can see, you will be paid for every click that you make, and you can receive up to 20 cents per visitor, which is very good. The best part is that you have a high conversion rate because everything is completely free and extremely easy to use. They just need to surf the web like they normally do, but instead of using Google search engine, they're gonna be using entireweb.com. Anyone from anywhere around the world is welcome to enter, and it is extremely simple to get started. You will be up and running and earning money from your traffic within minutes of signing up, and you will see exactly how it works, as well as how the dashboards look and how you can withdraw your money. So the minimum payout for this website is $15, which may seem to be a lot, but you can easily receive $15 with this website and immediately cash out to spend on whatever you want. So once you are at this page, you should click create account right here to sign up for free. You must now fill out some information about yourself. You must enter your first name and last name, as well as your own tracking ID. And I will tell you what the tracking ID is, and you can type in any words or phrases that you desire in it. For example, my YouTube channel's name is Easy Finance Boy, so my tracking ID will be Easy Finance Boy. It's easy. Then for your account, simply enter your email address. After that, you must enter additional data about yourself, and after that, simply fill out their payment method according to how you want to be paid. The best part is that PayPal is not their only payment option, and I know that a lot of you are struggling because you don't have PayPal in your country. So to keep it simple, you just enter your PayPal email address, or you can enter your other methods of payments, and they will pay you as soon as you reach the payout threshold. Finally, you should read their terms and conditions, and that's what there is to it. The registration process does not take you more than 16 seconds. You will now begin to earn money for each click that you generate, and this is what your dashboard will look like once you log into your account. Here is a list of all your promotions, and if you click home on the left side, you can actually monitor your clicks and the amount of money that you have made. As you can see, since this is a brand new account, of course it will obviously display 0 clicks and $0. However, once we begin to receive clicks, this will change and we will begin to receive money, and once we have hit the payout mark, we can go ahead and withdraw. So in order to begin obtaining those clicks, you must first obtain your affiliate link, which is located at the top of this page. This is your special link, so copy it because you will be paid 20 cents per click if anyone clicks on it. So you're just redirecting people to entireweb.com, where they can serve the web in the same way that they use Google, and you will be paid for each click, which is very simple and convenient. In addition, once you have copied your affiliate link, you can begin sharing it with others, so you can start earning money by generating those clicks. However, if you want to set this up on full autopilot with the ability to hit millions of clicks, you must use the technique that I am about to share with you. But wait, before we continue, I would like to remind you that we have more videos on our channel and we upload daily methods about making money online. The goal of our channel is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream so you can reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos to ensure that each one of these methods work properly. So I would really appreciate it if you guys go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Also, do not forget to leave us a like and a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So first and foremost, we're gonna go ahead and go to Google Docs and create a new file. Here you can write something and make a call to action for your unique link that bring people to entireweb.com. So please write something catchy and interesting that doesn't sound like spam. For instance, I type in better than Google, try entire web.com, a new and free search engine. I've also included my affiliate link there. It is important that you leave your affiliate link so that people can click on it. Did I put something like this? Try it in a few seconds and tell me if it's still better than Google. Obviously, this is one of the many choices. Of course, you can create your own call to action, an article with your own script, and it's possible that this would work even better than this one. So once you have finished writing your post, simply click on the file button up top, then download and select PDF document to save it to your computer, and with that PDF document you must navigate to Slidesharenet, which we will be using next. According to SimilarWeb, over 140 million people from all over the world visit Slideshare.net on a monthly basis. That's a huge number. With Slideshare.net, you will have the ability to reach over 140 million people. And the best thing is that you can post any article that you want. So you will share your Google Doc article with your entire web affiliate link. That's why you can get those clicks fully on autopilot. Users who post on this website receive millions of views. As you can see, there have been over 3 million, 5 million, over 1 million, over 700,000 views, and so on. So all you have to do is sign up by pressing the sign up button, and then simply press the upload button right here. Next, click select file to upload and select your PDF document. Then wait for it to load before giving it a title. You may also include the affiliate link in the title. That's not a problem. As a result of doing that, you will actually have a better choice of receiving more clicks to your link. Then you go ahead and pick the category from the list and set the privacy to public so that anyone can see it. Then you can tag it with different words, and keep in mind, guys, the more tags that you use, the more people that will find your article. After that, simply press publish. So to make $1,000, you only need 5,000 clicks, which are easily achievable because all they have to do is click on your link and use the free search engine just as they usually do for Google. So go ahead and take advantage of this method and begin get money as soon as possible, because in my point of view, it is one of the simplest way to begin earning money and the best way to create a passive income online. That brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be uploaded whenever we post a new content on the channel. Don't forget to also hit the like button and leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you a lot, and as always, I will see you tomorrow for a new video. Take care, guys.